I start off putting down a thin coat of white paint and spread it all over with a hairdryer. Now I'm making a puddle pour of the colors that I've chosen. A dark blue, a magenta, a cadmium red, and gold, metallic gold. I'm flooding a circle of white around the puddle. And then the fun part begins, where I blow the colors across the canvas, as you can see, and watch the magic. It looks easy, but let me tell you, it's so easy to create mud. And it takes a lot of practice getting this to work. And I am playing with the colors and with the air of the hairdryer. And also, I'm also going to use an airbrush to blow the paint around. So it's like I'm swiping the paint with the air. So watch what happens. When I decide that there's some areas that don't look like it belongs, I can actually make some alteration. I'm satisfied with the result, and now I'm adding a little bit of very fine gold to the center as a final touch. Thanks for watching.